So Kedat, first of all, thank you for joining us. Welcome to G Media. मेरा सबसे पहले आपसे ये सवाल होगा कि कंप्यूटर बिजनेस में हमने देखा है कि स्नैपड्रैगन काफी नए chips लेके आ रहा है। पहली बात तो इंडिया मार्केट आपके लिए कितनी एक्साइटेड है एंड व्हाट आर द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू कमिंग अप इन द इंडियन मार्केट?
Look, first of all, Mike, talking to you. India market obviously is super important for us. I think we've seen India market is always at the bleeding edge of innovation. The consumer in India is very aware of what's happening around. They're never shy to be first to adopt technology. And so I think overall, Indian consumer always seeks newer products that are at the bleeding edge of technology. So actually with Snapdragon, what we're trying to do is with Snapdragon Elite platform, we're doing something similar. We want the consumer to have a leading edge in terms of technology, that it was the best performance devices, the best battery life impacting devices. So overall, I think the consumer is savvy. More so, I think, as you know, research shows that Indian consumer AI जल्दी adopt करे. तो उसका फायदा होता है कि they are all ready to go and test out AI.
Like you mentioned, AI integration is very important. इंडियन मार्केट की अगर हम स्पेसिफिकली बात करें तो कोई भी अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट करता है लैपटॉप कैटेगरी में तो वो कम से कम 3 से 5 साल उसके पास वो शेल्फ लाइफ रहती है उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट के लिए। तो कितने आपकी ये लैपटॉप्स फ्यूचर रेडी होंगे और एआई टूल्स के ऊपर इस पे काम किया जा सकता है तो नेक्स्ट लेट्स से 5 ईयर तो सो
The way we're developing our entire framework for AI, whether it is the tools, whether it's the ecosystem, whether it is getting the ISVs, all of that work that we're doing, it's all working toward where the future is heading. And we know it's going to impact everything and everybody in a manner that we haven't seen before. So I think we're the most advanced in technology, not just in performance, not just in battery life, but also in AI.
India market is important, we all know. As a consumer also और R&D point of view से भी तो कुछ थोड़ा सा बताना चाहेंगे कि क्यों इतने इम्पोर्टेंट है इंडियन मार्केट आपके लिए और कैसे उसको आप लेके चल रहे हैं दोनों फ्रॉम अ कंज्यूमर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ऑल्सो एंड फ्रॉम एन इनोवेटिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से।
इंडियन मार्केट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज फॉर एग्जांपल हमने इसरो के साथ काम किया, ये ब्रॉट नैविक and GPS triangulation to smartphones that are being launched in India, right? Because it was so important for us that as ISRO develops this technology and launches the satellite, we wanted to make sure we're the bleeding edge of technology and stuff. Similar to that, I think with AI, there are so many ISPs, for example, that we're working with in India, right? From cricket ISPs, that ISPs developing local stuff for the Indian market. So it's very important for us, not just from a technology standpoint, but it's actually going to benefit the consumer.
When we try to identify customers, potential customers, वो customers काफी diverse होते हैं। कुछ प्रोफेशनली उसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं लैपटॉप्स को, कुछ गेमर्स होते हैं, कुछ कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स होते हैं who like to edit on their laptops. Considering that the content creators and gamers are growing like how, आप लोग के कितने ये डिवाइसेस रेडी होंगे और क्या चिपसेट इतने पावरफुल हैं कि इन दो जो सबसे रैपिडली ग्रो कर रही है ये दो पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरीज उनके लिए कितना ज्यादा सपोर्ट होगा?
Look, पहले गेम्स की बात करते हैं. We come from an era where we have built the gaming ecosystem on phones. And what we'd like to do now is we are already driving that similar ecosystem on PC. So already more than 1,400 games are already running. A lot of them AAA games already optimized and running on Snapdragon. Epic has announced their partnership with us in terms of what they're developing for games. All the anti-cheats software is now supported. So overall, I think the way you should see it is that a lot of focus for us on games. We understand every consumer wants to be able to play games, and so we're catering to that market. Things like DaVinci Resolve, things like Adobe, those are crucial apps that are needed. So not just are we doing porting these apps to Snapdragon, but they're also being optimized to the NPU to be able to take advantage of it. So I think overall, content creation, gaming are important. And I think you heard a lot from our GPU expert. You heard from a lot of our CPU experts in the optimization that we're making towards the space. So overall, I think every vertical is important, and we're paying attention to all of them to drive the ecosystem forward.
Okay, now let's talk about the expansion plans. किस तरीके से आप OEMs के साथ में मिलकर काम कर रहे हैं? इंडिया में स्टार्टअप कल्चर बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ चुका है. How are you integrating and collaborating with OEMs and startups? कैसे कर रहे हैं आप?
Look, OEM wise right now, all the leading OEMs, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Microsoft Surface, Acer Surface. We've got partnerships with everybody. You've announced what they're doing. There are some incredible products that they're launching. We're pretty excited about जो X2 के साथ भी अभी products आएंगे, X2 and X2 Extreme. We're pretty excited about it.
इंडिया सेंट्रिक आपका क्या होने वाला है? क्वालकॉम कितना ज्यादा अग्रेसिव होने वाला है, या फिर क्या प्लान्स हैं इंडिया के लिए स्पेशली इन दिस लैपटॉप कैटेगरी?
तो आई थिंक दिनेश, आप अगर देखोगे हमने लास्ट एक साल में इतने पार्टनरशिप्स किए इंडिया में. For now, we have our own tables at Chroma. We partnered with Flipkart, we partnered with Amazon, partnered with Reliance. Our intent is that our footprint in India is expanding rapidly. We want to make sure that we're able to reach a wide audience. In addition to that, the reason why we launched X Elite, X Plus, and X, the reason why we did that is to cater to the audience. So now you have devices come $500 all the way to like $1,000, $1,200 devices. So in India, as you know, the sweet spot for the Indian market is between $500 and $700, and so we're catering to that market. That's how serious we are in terms of launching these devices there.
अगर आपको कन्विंस करना होगा इंडियन कस्टमर्स को, व्हाट वुड बी द टॉप 5 फैक्टर्स जिसके बेसिस पे आप नए चिपसेट्स लैपटॉप जो आ रहे हैं इंडिया में, स्नैपड्रैगन पावर्ड लैपटॉप्स होंगे, आप बोलें कस्टमर्स को कि दीज आर द फैक्टर्स, इनके बेसिस पे आपको ये डिवाइसेस खरीदनी चाहिए?
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन है. पहली चीज तो परफॉर्मेंस. Snapdragon laptop that's the best for them. Second, battery life. There are cases where our partners have told 34 hours of video playback. That's unheard of in terms of battery life. So the advantage we bring with Snapdragon is huge. Third, अगर आपको AI देखना है and you want to run all these use cases on your laptop, the AI that we bring is unprecedented. Whether it's the 45 tops in Gen 1 or the 80 tops in Gen 2, it's unprecedented in the industry. Fourth, we bring in unique form factors that we showcase some. I wish I had one right now to show you, but there's some very unique form factors that we're bringing in, not just in laptop, but also in desktop and other form factor type devices. So we're pretty excited about what that brings. And then last is just when you bring all of this together, user experience that you will get, bringing all of these pieces together, it would be part.
On that note, thank you very much for your time and all the way.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.